Hello skincare lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's Diva Secret Organic Space. Guys, today's video I'm sharing with you how I make my customized whitening body polish. This is a customized product, so don't be angry that I did not list out the ingredients. Guys, this is a customized body polish, a whitening herbal body polish. This is what I sell out to my clients, and this is all organic, no promising. I don't sell promising out. I don't do promising, like adding people's products to my own product and call them organic. No, I don't do that. I make my formulation from scratch to the finish, and this is an organic whitening herbal body polish, and this is a customized product, so don't be angry that I did not list out my ingredients. So guys, sit back and keep watching. Like this video and share this video with your friends. Give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. So guys, keep watching while I make my customized product. So if you are smart enough, you are going to know the ingredients that I use in making this customized body polish.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Friday, Saturday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Ooh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Ooh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday.
Hey skincare lovers, so I am through. I'm sorry guys, please don't come for me. I'm not feeling fine, please. And besides, coronavirus is everywhere. I'm not feeling fine. Don't come for me. Like I said before, this is my customized skin polish. This is what I sell out. So don't come for me that I did not leave the ingredients or the recipe below my description box. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys. This is what I sell out. So for those of you that want to patronize me, please, if you want to place your order, I have my website where you can purchase my product or you can write me up. This is a whitening scrub for people that is light in complexion, and even if you're also dark in complexion, it's going to brighten you up. So this is all organic, no chemical, no promising, no missing of people's products. This is made from scratch. So I'm just going to label my product. You can see this is looking beautiful. This is looking beautiful. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video with friends. Guys, we need views. Please share this video with your friends and family. Help us to share on Facebook, WhatsApp, so that we can also have views, and we also need more families. You know, we just started this channel newly. So guys, this is my scrub and this is made for my clients. I make all my products fresh. My products are fresh. I don't make them and keep them. I make my products when my clients make an order. So that is it. So my products are always fresh. So guys, see you soon in my other next video. Bye.